Welcome to Whimsy Stamps. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Lisa, and today I'm sharing Whimsy Stamps' August 10th release of comic-themed stamps and dies. Let's take a look at the first new product, but stay tuned for details about this month's giveaway and design samples. This release begins with the Oh Snap 4x6 clear stamp set with 21 stamps. The coordinating outline dies are available separately. With its snark and sass, this set is perfect for pairing with the new products in this release as well as other previously released Whimsy Stamps products. The Mombie 4x6 clear stamp set contains 17 buildable words and sentiments as well as 4 images that take you from super wife to super mom to Mombie. I love this twist on mom cards. Make sure you also grab the coordinating outline dies. Those are sold separately. Pair the Mombie and Oh Snap stamp sets with the new City Street background rubber cling stamp. Now this background stamp is going to set the perfect scene for so many of your cards, including Christmas cards. The stamped image is large enough to cover an A2 card base measuring 4¼ inches high by 5¾ inch wide. This leads us to the dies included in this release, starting with the comic book outline die. Now the die coordinates with the previously released comic book background rubber cling stamp. Adding a comic scene to the stamp background or creating a fun shaker card is super simple now. The next die is Mini Slim Pickens 2. This die is used to create windows for mini slim and slimline cards as well as speech bubbles for A2 cards. Whimsy Stamps Mini Slim rounded die sets are an excellent match for these. We have a fun word and shadow die in this release. Good grief. As always, Whimsy Stamps word and shadow dies are fabulous and they're always a huge hit. The last product in this release is the comic card die set, which I know you'll all love. My favorite thing about this die set is the endless possibilities it offers. With the City Street background stamp, you can create cute police-themed birthday cards and taxi scenes. Using it, I created a VIP arrival card that I'll share soon. This one is sure to be a big hit, so grab it while you can. So 3 inches high by nearly 4¾ inches wide is the size of the card, and it comes with 7 detail stamps and 2 dies for embossing the word police or taxi on the card. And that's going to wrap up the reveal, but as promised, I have a few samples to share with you while I share giveaway details for the August giveaway. Whimsy Stamps is giving away a $100 gift certificate to their online shop. To be eligible to win, simply watch each of the current month's release videos here on the Whimsy Stamps channel and leave a comment. Each month, a winner will be picked from the comments and announced in the first release video the following month. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel and you click that notification bell so you don't miss the videos. I have to mention that Whimsy Stamps is solely responsible for the prize and YouTube is not associated with this giveaway in any way. Now let us know what you think of the new release in the comments below, and if you found the video valuable, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up because YouTube seems to really like those things. You can click the links below to head over to the Whimsy Stamps online shop to browse the items or shop. Take care, and until next time, please know how much we appreciate you and the time you spend with us.